Today I make a traditional dish, cabbage rolls. In Russia we call it galupsi or dolma, and in Germany we call it kohlrouladen or krautwickel. First, the cabbage has to get blanched so its leaves are easier to separate. While the cabbage is steaming, I start seasoning the meat. You can use any seasoning you like. I recommend some cumin to ease the bloating after cruciferous vegetables. My favorite part is the rice and the meat stuffing. And then it wouldn't be my recipe if I didn't put more vegetables in the meat to stretch the meat and also make it more healthy. And my kids will eat it without complaining. I forgot to add garlic, so now we add this too. By now the cabbage is soft enough, and I use each leaf and flatten the stem by beating it with a knife. The meat is placed right at the end of the leaf, folding the sides in and roll it up. Now the next one. I like to cut the leftover cabbage up and use it together with the rest of the vegetables. Cut everything into medium-sized pieces and just throw it in the pot. Any vegetable you like. Now season it, and I like to use bone broth. I use my Instapot, so I won't need that much liquid, but if you use a regular pot, please put enough liquid on all the way to the top until everything is covered. Cook for at least an hour with a regular pot. Instapot just needs like 35 minutes. Et voila!